How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can fix MSI Dragon Center not working in Windows 11. So if you navigate through your MSI Dragon Center, and basically all it prompts you with is the registration page, unfortunately the MSI Dragon Center isn't supported anymore. So what you can do is to head over to Microsoft Store, and basically from here, you just want to search for MSI and get the MSI Center. This is basically the updated version of the MSI Dragon Center. So in here, you could do the same thing, which is to monitor your hardware. And then, of course, we could also use our MSI applications like the MSI AI engine, the user scenario, Mystic Lights if you have multiple RGB devices. And of course, you could use more like the MSI companion. Now, you could get more applications by simply navigating through the homepage of the MSI Center. And from there, you could get more by navigating through the store. And then once again, you could download some additional features like this ones right here. And so just download MSI Center and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.